If you like your women big and cute and fluffy, you must be talking about me. Don't worry about it, baby, I'm not bougie.
Hey you, welcome or welcome. This is my second take. I cracked myself up. I don't know if it's the tick tick boom in here, but to myself I am hella funny. But anyway, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A capital D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. What's good? I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are one of my regular schmegulars, oh, what it do, boo. Let me just let you know. If you want to be a regular schmegula boo, you can do that by hitting the subscribe button. If you enjoy the videos, you can give me a thumbs up. I would hope that you would. And sharing is caring. Go ahead and share this video to whomever and wherever you like. We get to know each other down in the comments section. And yeah, this is a really cute, affordable, almost one brand makeup look. Really great and cute for a date night. Little, you know, goldy eye and, you know, just a little deep crease. I think we doing something. We slaying wigs and whatnot. Got the little teardrop, you know, real grown. You know, we out here. So if you want to get out here and prepare for a really nice date with your lover, even if that lover is you, let's hang over to the other side. Okay, so I'm going to do something I've never done before and set the, well, I shouldn't say I've never done it. I've never done it on here. So I'm going to set my eyeshadow base with a little bit of powder. I'm using a palette I've never really dug into, but I spent my money on it, so I want to use it. All right. Close enough. Okay, cool. That should be good. All right, so the palette that I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution and Patrica Bright palette. This one is Rich in Life. I dug my fingers in it, as you will see, and I was pretty disappointed because the shimmers are that really soft kind of, I don't know, they remind me of the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, and I do not like those shadows, but I spent my money on it, so I'm like, let me get some use out of it. All right, so I'm gonna go into this shade called Try Me. It's the orange shade right here. All right, and I'm hoping that if I use my fingers, the shimmers will pop. I don't know if this has to do with the fact that I set the shadow, but okay, there it is. It's showing up. Now I'm going into this deep chocolate called irreplaceable. It is right here, just to kind of deepen that up. Okay, now I'm going to go into let's try You Are Gold right here. This one, You Are Gold right here, and just keep it really basic. Oh, okay. See your finger. I've never been a big fan of applying it with your finger. I'm like, what the hell I buy all these brushes for? But that's, you know, shoot, that's what they're there for. Your phalanges, right? That's what these are, your phalanges. All right, let's get into our base, and I'll do this other eye on off camera. I'm gonna spray my face with this primer water. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water. All right, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation. Something new that I've purchased that I haven't used. And I'm using the color, what is this, F13? Right? Yeah, F13. All right, Juvia's Place foundation brush. This is a little pink. I can make it work though. It's like a combination of orange and pink. My concealer should help me fix it, you know? Oh, this looks good. This is nice. Just had to blend it in. All right, so now I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in C12. This should be a little lighter. Also pink. All right, I need something yellow, so I'm glad I got this. I got the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This will help me set and give me highlight. Alright, so the foundation, I'm with the concealer, not so much. So I'm going to just use the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer where I want to highlight. I'm almost out of it. Ooh, that blended out nicely. Alright, I think that the concealer set long enough, so now I'm gonna just blend this out. This is my first time blending out with a brush, my concealer actually. I like it. just kind of stippling it in. I'm not mad at that. It's actually really nice. I wish I was ambidextrous. Is that the word? Because this is a little weird to do with this brush on the left hand side. Over my eye from when I did my brows. I'll just use some powder. Alright, so I'm gonna hop off and do my other brow and then come back and we'll finish up the face. Okay, this is the final look. I wind up just finishing up my face, but I'll tell you what I have on the lips. I have the Makeup Revolution, Revolution Pro, that side of their brand. Their matte lipstick in Cashmere. It's a really pretty, kind of pinky nude. I hope that's clear. It's not washed out. And then to line it, I use the ColourPop Control. I put this little Makeup Revolution lip topper. This is their dupe for the Fenty gloss bombs, and this is in Exquisite. It's actually really pretty. Let me show you real quick. I hope you can see that. And I smoked, where's the palette? I smoked out my bottom lash line with this one right here. Booked and Busy. Is that the right one? Yeah, Booked and Busy. I like the mattes. I'll say that. And then there was one actual usable shimmer, and that is Darlings and Shine. Oh, Patricia, shining. These two right here are like regular shimmers. I don't know how to like describe makeup and all that. I'm not that deep. But these other ones I don't like. Like I said, they're really soft. They're like the Super Shock shadows. So if I go back to this palette, it'll just be because of the mattes, which were really, really nice. I like this. You don't need a lot, so that's cool. It gives you a nice full coverage. The Makeup Revolution, was it Conceal and Hydrate foundation? I like it. I was worried, but once I blended it out, it blended out really nice. I don't like the concealer. I like a hydrating concealer, but it was, I don't know, I didn't like it. Whatever. What else did I use new? Well, that I hadn't purchased. I mean, that I hadn't used before. I used the Morphe Bronzer and Show Bands. I don't know if you can tell because I had to kind of use my powder brush to blend it out. This is really, really pigmented. I thought this would be a little too light, so I tapped into this darker one here. Light hand, but very pigmented, very soft. So for me, because I don't contour and all of that, I just would need to like use a small, skinny little angled brush, kind of like something like this, and just, and then kind of blend it out just to kind of give me a little bit of definition. But yeah, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I think this is a really cute, kind of almost one brand, affordable makeup date night makeup look. Yeah, so I hope that you and your lover, or if you are like me, single and loving on yourself, I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. I will be your Valentine, and yesterday, the 13th, I was your Galentine. Hopefully you watched that video. I'll put it up here. Always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, gonna hurt our backs. Dragging all them bags like that. Go forth, real affordable and cute. That way. And slay. I'll see you next time. Bye. Yes. Do I look real promy? No, oh no, senior picture. Senior picture day. Senior picture day. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay.
Now you just shut up.
Okay.
You just shut up.
All right. I love you.
I love you too, you little shit.
We on our War You Fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang, gang, gang. Shitting me.